from Oneupreviewz, and today we got to look at the VANS WTAPS OG Classic Slip-On. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. With all that said, let's get a look at the VANS WTAPS collaboration. So, first things first, I just want to mention this box. Unlike other VANS boxes, this is quite heavy and it's really nice. Like the way it's built, it's not the typical cardboard box. It's a nice slip in, slip out, and it's because it's double taps. I'm pretty sure that's why they gave it like the premium, like great looking box. And with that said, let's get into the specs. So we've got this in the US 8.5, it's a UK 7.5, and it's European 41. And what we have in our hands is the OG Classic Slip-On double taps in GPS white black. Just to make sure you can see that it's the Vault collection, so you got that old school looking VANS logo there and the double taps logo that's there. And here it is. Bang. I mean, from the feel, you can tell it's premium materials as well. And before we get started, if you guys don't know what double taps is or are, double taps is a Japanese like streetwear brand, and what they model themselves after is old like military workwear, and the fact that they're using military inspired clothing or footwear even in this case. It just shows how much like the Japanese culture is shaped by Western, where it takes it from our culture, the Western side culture, takes it back, recycles it and makes it even better. The double taps was made by Tetsu Nishiyama, and the philosophy was around making military clothing that was accessible and really, really great to wear, aesthetically and practical wear as well. So you can already tell it's got the military vibes because of the whole midsole, which I will get into, but before that let's start with the outsole unit. So you got a typical old school VANS Vault gum outsole, and unlike the other kind of VANS, it's not like a red, it's more brown. Everyone knows that it's an iconic waffle shaped sneaker outsole, and going along the midsole unit. So as I mentioned, a lot of it is heavily influenced by military wear. So you've got the double taps logo and the military coordinates for double taps, which is in Japan. And for those, again, double taps is one of those OG Japanese streetwear brands, along with like Neighborhoods. I'll put them in the same level, because I remember when I was in Tokyo, like all the good stuff from double taps sold out. It was that popular. It's like in the same range as Supreme, but not as like hype or just boisterous, I would say. I mean, personally, I think Supreme is really boisterous, whereas double taps is like more, if you know what double taps is. Going along the upper, so to complement this all black midsole unit, obviously with the hints of white, you've got this really premium nubuck upper that consists of the front top of the shoe and around the heel as well. And this is a part of the pack, so there was a colorway where it was black and orange. This was the white, and what also came out were the old schools. I love VANS Classic Slip-Ons. They're one of my favorite sneakers ever to wear, and the fact that I was able to get a pair of the double taps is really cool, because there's a long like history between double taps and VANS. If I remember correctly, this is the 14th year that they've done a collaboration, and that is pretty cool. Like the fact that they time and time again the VANS want to work with double taps, and there's a cult following with double taps and VANS, because you've got the #1 Waffle Lovers Club, that logo. That's inside the tongue that I forgot to mention, and you have the whatever that's also at the back. So it's iconic and just a part of like Vans history. If you're really into your Vans, you should really get a pair of the double taps if you're still able to. Before I get into trying them on, I just want to mention that the insole is really, it's all synthetic as well. Feels like it's leather, but it's not. And you got the double taps there and the Vans logo. And this being the Vans Vaults collection, you have, instead of the off the wall that you usually see, you've got the old school off the wall, and this time it's in white and black. That's below the whatever, which is iconic as I mentioned. And yes, I really can't wait to try these on. It's a staple, it's a classic. Any waffle head needs a pair. Let's get into it. Guys, this is a great fit because usually if you watch our past videos, I was only able to get like Vans OG Vaults, the classic slip-on ones, mind you. I'm only able to get that in the size UK size 7. The fact that I was able to get a 7.5, this is the right fit. It's very comfy. Obviously, I've said it again and I'll say it. I've said it before and I'll say it again, I'm sorry. Vans were built for skating, so obviously they have that needs to be comfortable, and they are comfy. I think they're really cool. Like this white really goes with what trousers I'm wearing at the minute. The black, great contrast, and these are premium materials. Like double taps, Vans, great collaboration. If you're able to get a pair, you're lucky, and I can't wait to rock these out and avoid as many spillages as I can. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.